else say to keep it quiet. You know, low-key, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck on my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy spin like a great escape. I need no trick, gold eyes don't change. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. Got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving service, calling on my favorite. You know how to reach me every time that it pays you right. Rise up the night, we committed a crime. Way over long, no sacred spot. We can't be outside, cause I'm against the crowd. Am I on my
That's me, my sushi girl. Are you ready for the challenge? Yes. Good. All the girls. Yeah, teachers. To think of a main thing to this. Okay. Let's not going to play this.
see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. Let your mommy scream about something. I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. You know, low-key, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. I need total confidential privacy. No one knows thinking I'm a robot. Time so strange that we on the first class trip. Don't work my nerves, you know I can board it. We fucking, we ain't making love no more. You talk that talk, but he no matter with. So strong whatever you want. Whatever you need. Don't call me. Calling on a subtle, we like to get it poppin'. But the bitches in my business got me out, you choose the balance. See me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, mommy screaming about outside, I keep it quiet. Even I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you keep it there, nobody knows.
My burger for the part of I'm making it. Yo, can you give me some cheese? Let me out. Huh?
I'm definitely tipsy.
I know, you're skipping over your words, bro.
Hold on now.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Close it?
Yeah. You can put extra cheese. I don't care, yeah.
2 layers of cheese?
1.5. Like 2.5. I want my onions real grilled. Yo, show this B-roll, bro.
Okay, Krabby Patty.
Real shit. I testify for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. Long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, looting, hide your bodies.
Hey,
you
go
dreaming
ahead,
about me,
everything.
ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment that you just too important? Nobody's nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top right with you, I feel like Scarface. Ain't that wavage with the bob, I'll be your main one. Just chase this argument back up to my place. Sex from you, I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grow when you're not here. Say it.
Why you gonna start cooking?
I took another shower.
I bet you did.
I made
What did you put?
ranch garlic. I made a ranch garlic. Yeah, what was it? Oh, ranch parmesan fries. Yeah, ranch parmesan fries. You see that?
How do you do that?
Bam. I really just took the fries when they're hot and sizzling. A little bit of ranch. Put some fries or put some parmesan. Shake it up in the bag. Boom. And then you see. I wish you could show a B-roll and go like boom, boom. Imagine. And then I have obviously a cheeseburger with 1,000 Island dressing. You know, homage to the hood. With some, I tried some grilled pickles. I was thinking about putting like minced onions, but I got wasabi in it, and I got ketchup.
And grilled onion.
And grilled, yeah. Oh yeah, and I got grilled
Provolone
onions.
cheese.
And provolone cheese. I was gonna say, oh yeah, it's a cheeseburger. No, okay.
You gotta say cheese.
Yeah, alright. Thank you, Sean.
That's how I'm feeling right now. I'm feeling like Young Thug in the cardigan.
Alright, homies.
I know get time, da cover my face, calling me da. I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know we die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know we different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Sharashina Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen traits. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Like I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shit, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know.
Reveal. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Believe. Oh!
What you mean?
Oh.
What you mean?
It is coming, y'all.
El pasaporte está en tu mano.
Your pasaporte está en tu mano. Your pasaporte está en. What? Your passport is in your hand. El pasaporte está en tu mano. Tu estúpido. Say that.
Yo, what the hell?
Lesson complete. He's so cute.
This just in, Super Duolingo.
Alright. Maybe I should finally get up out of bed and like look presentable. Maybe that's what I should do. We'll see what I end up doing the next time I pick this camera up.
What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depend. The girl them ride the whip. I know me, die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depend. The girl them ride the whip. I know me, die for nothing.
Put him over there.
Look at that. Oh my god, look at that. Now I'm gonna wait.
Oh, I need some assistant.
Drip and drown. Drip and drown.
When I'm lonely, baby, it's like my friends don't know me. Girl, it used to be my own. Got me with a leash, she saw me. Even the trees get lonely. Left me here, 3 in the morning, questioning all the things you told me. That lost me in the morning, baby, if you need it, show it. And if you
A few moments later.
Yeah, it sounds kind of deep. That ain't deep.
I don't know what the hell's going on.
Just walk. Like, just check.
Is there windows upstairs? Oh, so can I go back inside?
But
6.5 hours later.
needed a warning, I got you, you know this. And if you ever home, I'm getting it a little
bro, I don't think I can even walk out of the building. Like,